Hey guys, and welcome to Cartix, the application that can help you boost your revenue by 15% almost instantly. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to show you what the application looks like and how to use it. So let's get into it. So the first things that we're going to do is define Cartix as your theme app extension. So for this, you can, if you want, just activate Cartix extension by clicking here directly. And then you can just save it here. You can also do it manually. So you're just gonna go basically to your theme settings, app embeds, and you're gonna select the Cartix app extension. This should be fine now. Activate Cartix. Congratulations, that's perfect. And then define Cartix as your post-purchase upsell app. So we just gonna go here. We're gonna scroll all the way down and select here Cartix. We're gonna save and we're gonna be back to the application. So on the first page, you will see basically your latest order that used the Cartix application. So you can see that here directly. You have also the analytics, a lot of cool stuff here. You can see, for example, your top performing funnels, your top upsell products. You can see it from like today or also like the last 7 days, last month. So you can like see a lot of things here directly. Then we're going to go to the funnels. So how to create a funnels. We're just going to add a funnels. We're going to put test Mike. We're going to add the funnels. You can select your triggers here if you want to apply to all the products, specific products, or specific collections. You have 3 types of upsell: the pop-up upsell, the one-click upsell, and the thank you page upsell. So for the pop-up upsell, we're gonna select the product that you want to upsell. For example, the Captain Cartix here. Configure the design, so you can basically modify everything here. You can change the colors, you can change the stars if you want. If you want to put like 4 stars, you can change it. The button colors, the offer timer. Do you want a timer? Do you don't want a timer? You can see from the laptop view, the iPad view, or the phone view, so that will give you a good idea. So we're gonna save this. We have here on the one-click upsell, which is the most powerful upsell because the clients only need 1 click to add it directly to his basket, which is like super powerful. You can like show him the first, for example, the first product. If he declines, you can show them a different product that you want to upsell and that they're gonna love. So you can do that a second time and a third time. So this is super cool and once again, like very easy to use. You have also the thank you page, so it's exactly the same thing here. You select the product that you want to upsell, you configure configure the settings, and you can still do exactly the same things. And you will see it's very friendly user, so you won't have trouble to change everything and make it as clear as possible. So if you have any questions, you can still check the FAQs, so all the questions that are frequently asked. So we have all the answers here for you. But honestly, guys, feel free to contact us directly. Ask your questions. We're here to answer you 24/7. So it will be our pleasure to clarify everything for you. I hope this little tutorial video answer all your questions and is going to help you through your process with Cartix. Have a great day, and I will see you soon in some other videos. Bye-bye.